Everybody, Steve from Multi-Source Printing, just showing you our process of banner printing. The time is coming up for events, sporting events. Things are starting to open up again. Birthday parties, Zoom background meetings. We're going to show you some capabilities on how we do our banners with our UV printing right now and all the steps that are involved. These banners are a little bit out of the ordinary, you know, with their fun, catchy designs, but they're also unique in the way that they're cut, and we're going to explain that. But just enjoy the video and let us know if you guys need to place any orders. We can knock stuff out in a couple of days. The pieces printed, they're on our plotter. Go back to my computer quickly. We're going to send the blueprint to the plotter. It's going to show exactly where these precise cuts are going to be. So once I submit this, the plotter is going to read 4 registration marks for a precise cut on each one. Now, like in the beginning, I spoke to you about the fact that we made some silly banners. You know, they're a little bit they're not normal shapes, and I wanted to do that for a specific reason, to show you the effectiveness of when we cut this on our plotter. Process is just reinforcing the banner. Okay, so normally, well, not normally, always what we would do is we would hem the edges with double-sided tape to really reinforce them, especially if these are going to be out in the elements, the wind's going to be blowing. The standard is to put grommets, which are these things right here. You got silver and gold. All right, silver and gold. You do them every 2 feet on the banner. And basically it's going to reinforce it. So what I'm going to do today is I'm just going to do the grommets in the corners. We're going to use gold for the first 2 banners, and we're going to use silver for the top. I'm going to show you how quick and easy this is. And like I said, normally it would be every 2 feet to allow, you know, the banner to stay flush, maybe some wind to pass through it. Yeah, so we got this little grommet machine here.